All right, so we are just going to open this up and unbox this here. Waiting forever to get my hands on one of these, and by that I mean a month. Stuff is so fancy these days. And we get another box. A box in a box. Fancy disc. Ooh, I could cut this up and use this to store electronics. Alright, of course we've got the ridiculous power connector. 4 8-pin PCIe connectors. And here is the beast. Wait a minute, 1 second. What else do we have? Oh yeah, probably a bracket. Yeah, this one actually looks pretty nice for a bracket. Oh yeah, this is going to be for the RGB lighting. Let's take out the one piece that I need right now. The monster. Is there anything else in here? Probably not. Man, this, oh geez, this thing is heavy. Holy cow. There we go. This is a Zotac 5090. This is the Amp Extreme Infinity. It is not the solid, which is the other one, or the other series they have. But yeah, hopefully this thing is real. Cost a pretty penny to get. So this is going to go right about like this inside of my case, right where the other GPU is. This one has to weigh, this sucker weighs at least 5 pounds. She's going to go in like that. There is the 12-volt connector right there. And then one thing to watch out for is there's a little light here. I think that's the little dot right there. Let me check the schematic. So right here, you can see there's a little LED underneath that triangle. That'll tell you if your connector or your plug is seated well or not. This little triangle right here, there's a little LED in the middle of it. They'll light up green if everything's okay with your power connector, if it's seated correctly. Hopefully, anyways. Okay, so let's get to work here.